A Scottsdale medical worker accused of sexually assaulting a patient made his first court appearance today. Police say the suspect, 38-year-old Xavier Perez, admitted he sexually assaulted a woman while she was under sedation for pain treatment for her back.
And it happened on June 25th of last year at Integrated Pain Consultants near 96th Street and Shea Boulevard. Police are really concerned there may be more victims.
Now the 12 News I-Team is learning more details about the owner of that pain treatment facility.
Team 12's Bianca Bono has the details.
Well, the doctor who founded that clinic just a couple of years ago is currently facing his own legal troubles. He's accused by the Arizona Attorney General of taking hundreds of thousands of dollars from a local drug company to overprescribe a powerful opiate.
I'm a comprehensive pain expert. Basically, if you have pain, I can help you.
In a promotional video for Integrated Pain Consultants, Dr. Nikesh Seth sells himself as an expert pain specialist. But in a 2017 lawsuit filed by the Arizona Attorney General, he's accused of taking more than $230,000 from a Chandler-based drug company in exchange for prescribing, quote, copious amounts of Subsys prescriptions to patients. You might be thinking Subsys sounds familiar. That's because for the last few years, the federal government has been investigating the drug's maker, Chandler-based Insys, for bribing doctors to overprescribe it. Subsys is meant for cancer patients when they become tolerant to other drugs. It's fentanyl in spray form. In 2017, the Arizona AG accused Dr. Seth of being part of the scheme.
They started writing a prescription so freely.
A former patient who asked only to be called Terry said she felt that Dr. Seth overprescribed other opiates to her.
They're giving out the opioid prescriptions were yearly to keep you coming back for procedures is what I felt like they were doing.
But Dr. Seth has denied all these charges in court filings, and a judge has dismissed him and two other doctors from the state case. The Attorney General is determining whether to appeal. But just last week, Dr. Seth found himself facing different problems. He was arrested and booked on DUI last Wednesday, just a few miles from this Scottsdale office. And we have tried multiple times to reach Dr. Seth, but those working at a Scottsdale facility denied our request for comment. We're in the newsroom. Bianca Bono, 12 News.